again with another food review in the car. Yeah, we at Zaxby's. And, well, it's good. We got the spicy mushrooms right here. Got the spicy mushrooms. Look at that spicy mushroom goodness. Mm-mm. And got a little curly fries too. Crinkle fries. Dip it in a little sauce right there. Ranch sauce. Mmm. Real good. Cars are driving. We're in Camden, South Carolina. Camden, South Carolina. It's the town adjacent from my town where I live in Lugoff, South Carolina. We're in Camden, South Carolina. So the car's going. They got the Hobby Lobby over there, and Marshall's, Big Lots, Chick-fil-A. But we're at Zaxby's. In Camden, South Carolina. They got this new sandwich called the Signature Sandwich. Wow, look at that. It's got that, kind of reminds you of another sandwich that everybody's going crazy about, but it's our Zaxby's sandwich right here. Mmm. Very good. Another day to myself, and I'm thankful for it. I am. And I'm thankful for these spicy mushrooms too. Mmm. Spicy mushroom. Dip it in that ranch sauce. French fries and spicy mushrooms. And a little glass of lemonade from Zaxby's. Yeah, enjoying the day. Life is too short. A great dinner. Can't beat. And these spicy mushrooms. They're awesome. Well, that's going to be it for this one. I give it 6 stars across the board. And real goodness, real good food. Can't beat it. Well, that's going to be it, everybody. Please support my channel. Subscribe to Moochie72 on YouTube. As always, Moose says peace and blessings, everybody, and have a nice day. Thank you.